Hello friends, today in this video we are watching the top 25 indoor plants so you can buy and transform your home with greenery. These plants are low maintenance and air purifying and auspicious for your house. Plus I will share their approximate prices so you can plan to buy these plants. So friends, let's get start the video. The first one is the money plant. It's fast and growing vastu complement. It's bring property vibes for your house. The price is only 299 rupees. Second one is a lucky bamboo. It's fungi shungi favorite. It's low maintenance, grows in the water. The price is the only 349 rupees. And third one is a Jade plant. It's draw fun, tolerate, low light friendly and stylish decor for your house. The price is the only 449 rupees. And fourth one is the snake plant. It's tall upright green leaves with these are virtually of purifying this low light. The price is the only 250 rupees. And fifth one is a spider plant. It's pet friendly and air purifying, easy to the propagate. The price is the only 150 rupees, sorry 120 rupees. Sixth one is a rubber plant. It's bold decor statement, air purifying. The price is the only 150 rupees. And sixth one is the Erica palm. It's tropical vibes, air purifying and perfect for living rooms. The price is the only 160 rupees. And another one is the peace lily. It's bloom to the low light and remove toxic like off from head. The price is the only 170 rupees. And ninth one is the Jade plant. It symbolizes of wealth and low maintenance. And this is the glossy green leaves in the small pot. The price is the 123 rupees. And tenth one is the monstera. It's grows and great for worthy air purifying and tropical vibes in your bedrooms and living rooms. It's water only 1 week and the price is the only 199 rupees. And another one is the aloe vera. It's only 199 rupees. And this at the Fitonia plants only 149 rupees. And Boston plant. It's air purifying and allows of humidity, perfect for bathrooms. It's indirect light, keeps soil moist. Price is only 99 rupees.